Good afternoon, sir. I am Rin Jasin Bedjong, your student nurse. Before we proceed the procedure, I will review your medical record and your plan of care. And then I will perform the hand, hand hygiene to proper hygiene and to prevent infections. And then I will put on my gloves. Okay po. May I know your name, sir?
May message na yun pa.
And your birthday, sir?
May 3, 2004.
Okay, thank you po. So now, will you transfer from bed to the stretcher? It is okay to you, sir?
Yes.
Okay po. And also, I will close the curtain for your privacy. And then, ibababa ko po ang bed to the height of the stretcher para po madali at safe ilipat. Okay po? And then next, I will place the blanket for your privacy and para po mapanatili natin na warm. Okay po. Ilalagay ko lang po ito from over your shoulder. Okay po. Next po is ililipat ko na po kayo from the bed to the stretcher. And then hawak lang po kayo sa likod ko. Gagawin po natin ito ng gently and slowly lang po. Okay po. Sige po. Bibilang po ako ng 3. 1, 2, 3. Then, dahan-dahan lang po lakad. Okay po. Okay po. We're safe on the stretcher po. And then, I will remove the blanket. Next po is ililipat ko naman po kayo from stretcher to the bed. Hawak lang po kayo and then bibilang po ako ng 3 kapag po ready na kayo. Idikit nyo lang po yung paa nyo to the 1, 2, 3. Then dahan-dahan lang po. Ano po? Okay. We are done po. Thank you for your cooperation and I will document all the procedure. Kamusta po ang pakiramdam niyo, sir?
Okay na po.
Wala naman po masakit? Okay po. Kung may naramdaman po kayong kakaiba, tawagin niyo lang po agad. Okay? I will remove my PPE. I will remove my gloves. And then, I will wash my hands to proper hygiene and to prevent infections. Okay po. Thank you.